Here's how to open a Lunar Bank account in the UK. So this can be done completely for free, and to get started just head over to lunar.app. Now first you want to select whether you want to open a personal or a business account. So for this example I'll go personal, and then here you can just click on Get Lunar for free now. So go and click on that, then here you can get Lunar just like 950,000 others, and then to get started all you need to do is scan the QR code to download Lunar, or alternatively you can enter your phone number right there. So then once you click Get Lunar for free now, they will send you a text message with a link to download Lunar. Now just go ahead and download the app, and after you download the app you can then go ahead and open up your account. Now you can see the account that they have right there. So it's a free account with a digital card, and this will get you 0.75% interest on up to 100,000. Now they also have some premium accounts that will get you more. So the light account is the free one, but then they also have standard, plus and unlimited, and you will get more interest in those accounts as well. And you will get some more bonuses. For example, if you want to get unlimited, just click Get Unlimited and again go and download the app. From there you can just sign up using your email address and phone number, and you will need to have proof of ID. So make sure that you have an ID card or something like that available to verify your identity. And in the sign up process you will also need to enter your name, your home address and stuff like that. So just gonna follow that, and then you have opened a Lunar Bank account in Denmark. So now you know how to open a Lunar Bank account in Denmark online completely for free. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.